Can you believe it? We're heading into the second half of 2024 already. It simultaneously feels like 6 weeks and 6 years all at the same time. And crazy how time can do that. I mean, what is time, man? Like, is it a construct? Is it a sense of being? Is it a sense of self? It's all like a flat circle. Is this a prison? Speaking of time, we have actually a limited amount of it here because the guys in our studio tell us that they have to edit it for time and they hate how much I go over. But we're gonna go over and they're gonna edit it. So let's get to it, shall we? And here are the top Nutra offers for July 2024. In spot 5, we got Cognicare Pro. It's a new one and it's a great one. So now listen up, and I wanna clear the elephants and the donkey in the room. Ah, that's an election joke, you get it? Elephants and donkeys and animals and all that. So what's Cognicare? Cognicare is a memory and brain enhancement supplement that combines the power of proprietary blends of all natural ingredients that can help you stay sharp, pronounce words, and remember the actual statistics you're quoting. This supplement helps stimulate blood flow to the brain, ease anxiety, and boost those cognitive functions. The affiliate tools are extraordinary. Swipes, banners, clean landers, engaging content, it's all there. And easing the journey from promotion to conversion for affiliates, you got the affiliate resources page. So head over there to the landing page, check it out, grab your link, and start promoting. Now let's get on to those polled numbers. Well, actually, no, those are the real numbers. Let's go to those real numbers. EPC, $1.44. Average payout value, $133.13, and a hot conversion rate of 1.08%. That's pretty good. That's a really good new offer. So go, promote it, find it, and start testing it today. Now listen here. If politics divide us, there's one thing that can unite all of us. And that's god-awful teeth. At one point, we all had some of them, and for those of us who are still lucky to have most of them, we want them to keep healthy. So Prodentum is a supplement designed just to do that. Prodentum is a dental candy that contains 3 billion, that seems like a lot, mouth-supporting flora. That's right, 3 billion, and that's because they said so. This offer has been an evergreen ClickBank offer for several years now. It has a wide audience, excellent affiliate tools, and awesome upsells. The messaging is trustworthy and engaging, the testimonials are compelling and thoughtful, and the branding is on point. Truly, Prodentum is an excellent offer for folks who are new to affiliate marketing or just to seasoned media buyers. It really has something for everyone, and it continues to convert month after month after month after month. And if you need more proof, let's just get to those numbers, shall we? It has an EPC of $1.17, an average payout value of $136.40, and a hot conversion rate of 0.86%. That's with everybody and their dog, who also has teeth, promoting it. You gotta go, you gotta promote it. It's great during these summer months when diet and weight loss may taper off because everyone's given up and they are just the shape they are, buddy. And for those people who haven't given up on their body, we got T-Burn at number 3. Brought to you by the geniuses behind the smash hit Java Burn, T-Burn packs all the punch and then some. This weight loss supplement boosts metabolism, it lowers body fat, and it ramps up energy with all the proprietary blend of all natural ingredients. With 0 side effects, this tasteless powder can be mixed into your favorite beverage, like a tea. Hot or cold, or maybe even juice. But juice burn, tea burn, yes. We may already be into summer, but there are still plenty of folks working on their beach bods. It's not too late to catch that crowd and hop on that tea burn train. If you know anything about Java Burn, you know that tea burn, it's a success. And the numbers, well, these are a success too. EPC, it's got an EPC of $3.32, an average payout value of $138.61, and a hot conversion rate of 2.29%. It's absolutely insane, but let's give a little asterisk on some of these numbers. Whenever we see an offer pop up this fast, this quickly, with numbers this hot, it means it might be driven by some people who are having the best luck on the edge of that curve. So I would say an EPC is probably gonna land somewhere around $1.20 to $1.40. That's okay, and that hot conversion rate is gonna fall around 1%. That still means it's gonna be great for you guys. So go, promote it, and test it out. Hey everybody, just wanna stop you for just a quick second to tell you about 2 awesome podcasts in video form. Yeah, videos with faces and live moving pictures about media buying. Yeah, you're definitely gonna want that because guess what? Media buying can help you scale your offers. We have one right here with Renan from Kendago talking about how to scale up as a media buyer. And not one, but 2 right over here. We got one with Maverick Media talking about their media buying efforts and how they work. So if you're looking at expanding your horizon, opening your mind, opening that third eye, man, two right here. Two great media buying not courses, but just great podcasts in general. So click, subscribe, learn more, and then we got more top offers content coming at you right now. We got Potent Stream. It's spot number 2, but technically it's number 1, but it's spot number 2. Potent Stream is prostate health supporting supplement that cleanses the prostate and helps clear any buildup from hard water that may be causing discomfort. This tincture is easy to take. It's non-habit forming, thank God, and it works. All ingredients are non-GMO, effective, exotic, and non-stimulant. Sounds like a good blend if you ask me. This offer is doing well with people who have a prostate who are over 50, which is men. The affiliate tools are excellent, the upsells are stellar, and the numbers, well, let's take a look, shall we? We got an EPC of $1.19, an average payout value of $135.68, and a hot conversion rate of 0.87%. I'd say those are bangers right there. And half of people out there are technically men. Close it. It's like 51% or 49%. It depends on the year. But a lot of men out there with prostates who are old. So go, promote it, test it with them. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. In spot number 1, it's the Sugar Defender, protecting candy everywhere. Actually, Sugar Defender is a blood sugar supporting supplement that contains an all-star blend of top shelf ingredients like coleus, maca root, and African mango. I pronounced all of those correct, and don't look it up. It's non-habit forming, no stimulants, non-GMO. It's just good, clean ingredients sourced and combined to help support blood sugar health. With multi-bottle upsells, free gifts, free shipping for multiples, Sugar Defender all but sells itself, but it practically sells itself. Have you seen the affiliate tools? I mean, man, incredible. They've got demographic information, banners, info swipes, email swipes. They're ready for you to use it all right now. And it's starting to look like Sugar Defender may become one of those classic ClickBank offers, so get in while it's hot and start promoting it today. And why? These numbers? EPC, $1.22. Average payout value, $137.36, and a hot conversion rate of 0.89%. It's amazing. Go, promote it. It's killing it. It's the number 1 offer, and that has been your top offers in June. No, sorry, it's July. So here's hoping you have a wonderful summer. See you right back here in 1 month to see what August will bring. So go out there, get it. Time's up. Peace, y'all. I'm outie. I'm going home. Hey, everybody. Just for a quick middle of the